2021. I'm here and I'm ready. I have a whole new background and you guys are gonna know why in tomorrow's video. And I have a lot of great content coming for you guys. You guys are not even ready because I'm not even ready. I've been working really hard this past month. I am hosting New Year's Eve here and I am really excited. Everybody should be coming in a couple of hours. I still have to get my makeup done. I'm not gonna wear anything fancy. I'm just gonna wear like a black sweater dress. You guys have also seen that dress before. I've donated so much of my clothes that I was like, I don't think I have any like party dresses left over kind of thing. Like I don't have any and I haven't been shopping for any. So yeah, I'm just gonna wear like, I mean, it's here, it's at home. So I'm not really like stressed about it. And really, I'm just most excited because I'm gonna be hosting for my very first time. Yeah, that's what I really care about. And also, I'm not gonna have a lot of family over. It's just the same family that I've been around. It's really nobody new. And in these times, I'm grateful that I really have like a small immediate family because at least we can all still be together. And I know that's not the case for a lot of families everywhere and a lot of people everywhere, and my heart really goes out to everybody who is experiencing a different kind of New Year's Eve. Although we are together, we are also experiencing a different kind of New Year's Eve because we did lose someone who would typically be here. Ugh. I'm sorry guys, I'm feeling a little emotional today. Holidays have been a little bit tough, but it's not the same for anybody. But as I've been doing the entire year is just to keep my head up. As you guys can see, my hair straightened as well. There's a lot of new changes over here, but you guys are gonna get acquainted really fast because I'm gonna be updating you guys. I have an update video coming tomorrow, January 2nd, so stay tuned. I think it's uploading at around 1 p.m. But Happy New Year, guys. It is 2021. It sounds so freaking futuristic. I know it seems like a lot of people don't want to get too excited about a new year this time around, but listen, you have to just be excited because you're alive and you made it and you're here. And this is the only opportunity you're gonna get. So although it may be shitty sometimes, it's very important to still continue to push through because there's nothing else you can do about it. So I'm excited for 2021. It's a fresh start and I feel that we can overcome a lot because that's what 2020 prepared us for. Honestly, I just actually did my 2020 reflection. I like to journal, and so I just did that, and 2020 was that year. Like it was that year that really was like, okay, yeah, this is actually life. Like this is actually happening. Yeah, you have to deal with it. Like I've always preached about taking the good with the bad, and 2020 has shown us to take the good with the bad entirely. There were some good things in 2020. It wasn't all horrible. Even the horrible things that happened kind of like led to a lot of good things, like even spending more time, if you lived with family, spending more time with your family, or actually getting quality time, quality FaceTime calls and quality phone calls. And now when you guys get together, it's just like better. Like, you know, it's usually you take so many things for granted, and I feel that 2020 showed us not to do that because you just never know. But first and foremost, what I am gonna do is I'm gonna do my press-ons first. I can probably show you guys, but honestly, I don't do them in the best way. And especially when it's like for an event, like a quick event or something, I don't like spend time like cleaning around and pushing the cuticles back and all that stuff. I just like literally just glue it on because I know I'm gonna probably yank them off like later or tomorrow. So in a couple of videos, I think in the next 2 videos you guys are gonna see, the next 2 or 3 videos you guys are gonna see a room tour. And in this room I actually have an empty wall right here to my right, and this is gonna be turned into like a little photo booth area. So I have to hurry up and get ready and stuff because I'm then going to clean up and get this room prepared for everybody to come. We're gonna have a little New Year's Eve photo booth. I'll show you guys for sure. You guys are gonna get little clips in here and there, and yeah, it's gonna be exciting. I am very excited. I am pumped. It might not seem like it because I just journaled and I got myself in my feelings, but we're about to like, you know, get all like hyper or whatever. That's enough of me talking. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna see you guys later. All right. Okay, you guys, so I am ready. As you guys can see, I have done my makeup, and right now I'm just waiting for my family to get over here. And I told you guys I was gonna wear like this simple, you guys seen this dress before. It's just a sweater dress, and then I have some accessories. I have some rings here and my heart earrings. I'm literally wearing my lime green Fenty slides because I'm home, so I was not about to put heels on or anything. Well, this is a very special necklace. This is my godfather's ashes. I don't mean to make this video sound morbid or anything, but yeah, that's what I'm have on my neck. And now I'm gonna show you guys some of the decorations, okay? So this is the background that I have for them. So it is really short, but it's really cute, and it has all of its props. We were able to manage taping it into a little bag right here on the wall. So these are all little, like, I don't know, some of them say Happy New Year's, cheers, whatever. So that is part of this is a photo shoot walk, basically. Oh, hey, this is me. Hola. I'm gonna show you guys when we are walking in. Okay, so I hope you guys like those decorations. It's pretty simple. In my living room, I have a couple of balloons. We have some balloons around the apartment and stuff, but this is like the main kind of room. But I am excited! I'm actually pretty late finishing my makeup, but everybody else is late, so I'm not late. I'm actually about to go pre-game before them. I'm kidding. I'm not kidding about pre-gaming, but the laugh was a little like joke or whatever. But anyways, I'll see you guys later. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog.
Hold on just a second, see my face. I might be an upcoming rapper, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? I might.
Episode of Hobson where he be like,
Brought the weight.
and we put her back in. Eh?
Oh, God. Why you move?
Because I was getting
Hold on, wait, I gotta do like this. Oh, wait. You gotta rub your nipple with it.
Your nipple's video, hold on. Oh,
This one's fine.
golly.
This is I light it, then you get it last. Huh? Spit that shit so fast. Huh?
Tonyo!
I thought you were like, you had this
Alright.
real hot girl shit.
Get up.
Make my way out of here.
You leaving?
No, they're talking about Bad Girls Club.